Be mindful tonight. The final supermoon is here. The last supermoon of the year has arrived, and it's not just a celestial spectacle, it's a surge of intense cosmic energy, a wake-up call urging you to tread carefully. Every action, thought, and interaction tonight carries amplified significance. This isn't just another full moon. It's a powerful energetic crossroads where your choices can leave a lasting imprint on your spirit. Tonight, awareness is your greatest ally. What you engage with, be it a conversation, a piece of media, or even fleeting thoughts, will sink deeply into your energetic field. Your soul is like a sponge right now, absorbing the vibrations around you. Are you soaking in light and clarity, or are you inviting spiritual toxicity? We live in a world that thrives on distraction and chaos, and it's easy to get swept up in gossip, anxiety-filled news, or draining interactions. But under the light of this supermoon, those unconscious choices could resonate far longer and deeper than usual. Think of tonight as a magnifying glass for your spirit. What you let in now could influence you well after the moonlight fades. The thinning veil, a time of heightened sensitivity. Ancient traditions teach that during significant lunar events like this, the veil between worlds becomes paper-thin. Energies from the spiritual realm, both benevolent and shadowy, can easily cross over. This isn't just about ghosts or myths. It's about unseen forces, unresolved emotions, and lower vibrational energies that may cling to your doubts, fears, or insecurities. Imagine walking through a fog where invisible forces can latch onto your energy. That's the kind of heightened sensitivity you're navigating tonight. Even familiar spaces like your home can become channels for unsettling vibrations if you're not mindful. Protect yourself and your energy. So how can you guard your spirit during this potent time? Follow your intuition. If something feels off, a place, a person, or even a conversation, trust your instincts and step away. Avoid draining environments. Skip that party full of strangers or interactions that always seem to spiral into drama. Be selective about what you absorb. Limit exposure to toxic media, fear-based content, and negative conversations. Choose uplifting and calming influences instead. Create a sacred space. Light a candle, say a prayer, or meditate to reinforce your energy field and bring peace into your surroundings. This final supermoon is a chance to realign with clarity and purpose, but it requires vigilance. Every choice you make tonight matters. Stay grounded, choose wisely, and let this cosmic moment illuminate your path forward. Embrace the power of the final supermoon. Stand in your truth. The final supermoon of the year arrives with fiery energy, illuminating raw truths that are often hidden. One of the most striking revelations it brings is the way we depend on external validation. Under this powerful moonlight, every insecurity, doubt, and craving for approval becomes impossible to ignore. If you find yourself seeking reassurance from others right now, whether through social media likes, compliments, or external praise, you're handing over your power. And this is power you desperately need to reclaim for yourself. Think about it. Every time you let external opinions define your worth, you weaken your spiritual foundation. During a time when the universe is brimming with supercharged energy, this habit not only disrupts your inner harmony, but also blocks your connection to the cosmos. The supermoon doesn't care if you're liked or if your choices are popular. Its glow is a call to rise above the noise and anchor yourself in self-approval. Instead of looking outward for validation, turn inward. When you align with your own truth, you access a power far greater than any external praise or criticism could ever offer. Use this cosmic moment to trust your intuition and affirm your inner wisdom. Let the supermoon remind you of your inherent worth, independent of anyone else's opinion. When you stand grounded in self-acceptance, you radiate a light that's as unwavering and unapologetic as the moon itself. Beware the surge. Harness the moon's power without burnout. The supermoon isn't just a beautiful celestial event. It's an electrified wave of raw energy surging through the universe. While this energy is invigorating, it can also overwhelm if not managed wisely. Right now, everything feels amplified. Your emotions, your inspirations, even your challenges. The supermoon's energy is like a lightning storm coursing through your soul. Awe-inspiring, intense, and full of potential. But just like lightning, it's a force that must be handled carefully. Left unchecked, this cosmic energy can leave you spiritually and emotionally drained. Without grounding yourself, the high-energy surge can lead to overstimulation and burnout. The flood of ideas and impulses might feel thrilling at first, but it can quickly spiral into restlessness or even emptiness. One moment you're riding a wave of inspiration, the next, you're left feeling scattered and depleted. To thrive under this moon's power, stay rooted in your truth and prioritize balance. Take moments to breathe, reflect, and connect with your inner self. The supermoon's energy is a gift, but only if you harness it with intention. Rise with the moon, luminous and unshakable. Let its light guide you to a place of self-empowerment and spiritual resilience. Navigate the cosmic energy of the supermoon with purpose and balance. This final supermoon of the year is more than just a celestial spectacle lighting up the night sky. It's a cosmic amplifier, intensifying everything you feel and desire. Your dreams, ambitions, and even your hidden fears are more magnetic than ever. It's a time of heightened manifestation, but also a powerful reminder. Be intentional. Harnessing the surge without burning out right now, the energy around you is electrifying. But here's the secret. Don't let it overwhelm or scatter you. Instead, focus this surge into meaningful actions. Avoid chasing countless distractions and direct your efforts towards what truly matters. Balance is your anchor on this cosmic roller coaster. Manifestation supercharged. Handle with care. Under the supermoon's glow, every wish you send out has the potential to return to you with lightning speed. But the moon doesn't differentiate between desires rooted in light and love, or those tangled in fear and desperation. It simply magnifies what you project. This is why being intentional isn't just wise, it's crucial. Take a moment to examine your heart. Are your intentions pure, or do they stem from ego, insecurity, or unresolved wounds? Are you truly ready for what you're asking the universe to deliver? Think of this supermoon as a magnifying glass held over your soul. Any cracks in your intentions will be amplified, and careless wishes could lead to unintended chaos. Set clear and honest intentions. Before sending your desires out into the universe, cleanse them of any emotional baggage. Be sure that what you wish for aligns with your true growth and purpose. Words, thoughts, and energy carry immense power tonight, and they could shape far more than this lunar cycle. They could define your next chapter. Reflections from the past. Lessons, not shackles. Have you felt it? That magnetic pull toward the past. Memories surfacing, emotions stirring, or faces you haven't thought of in ages appearing vividly in your mind. Under this moon's influence, nostalgia can feel comforting, even intoxicating. But it can also become a spiritual trap, tethering you to what's already gone. Instead of losing yourself in the glow of what could have been, treat these memories as teachers. Ask yourself, why is this memory coming up now? What lesson does it hold for me? How can I use this understanding to move forward? The supermoon's call. Embrace the future. This is a rare opportunity to let go of the past and fully embrace the possibilities ahead. Let nostalgia inform you, not imprison you. Take the wisdom of your experiences, but keep your gaze forward. The energy of this supermoon is an invitation to align your actions, thoughts, and desires with your highest purpose. Use this powerful moment to send out intentions that are clear, kind, and true to your heart. What you release now could shape not just your tomorrow, but the next phase of your life. Under this supermoon, step boldly into your future. Let your energy flow deliberately, your heart lead purely, and your spirit soar freely, lost in the moon's glow. Let the supermoon guide you ever feel like you're wandering through a haze, unsure of where to turn. Tonight's supermoon, with its intense energy, might be stirring up feelings of doubt or uncertainty. That once crystal-clear vision of your spiritual journey may feel frustratingly out of reach, like trying to recall a dream that slips away the moment you wake up. You're not imagining things. The supermoon's energy has a way of clouding our inner clarity, casting a fog over the path we thought we knew. It's as though the universe is testing our faith, challenging us to pause and reflect. You might feel stuck, moving in circles, questioning everything. But here's the key. This fog isn't here to defeat you, it's here to awaken you. When clarity feels distant, your intuition becomes your compass. The supermoon's glow isn't just about what's illuminated, it's about what it reveals within you. Tonight, the moon acts as a cosmic mirror, reflecting your truest self. Its light strips away the masks, leaving no room for pretense. It asks, are you ready to face your raw, unfiltered truth? This lunar energy doesn't judge or condemn, it guides. It brings forward the parts of you you've hidden, the habits you've ignored, and the dreams you've put on hold. The supermoon isn't here to shame, but to offer you a gift, the chance to see yourself with rare, transformative clarity. So take a deep breath. Lean into the discomfort. Trust the process. This is your moment to connect with who you truly are and take bold steps forward on your journey. If this resonates with you, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you're drawn to more content like this, hit the subscribe button and join our community. Together, we'll explore the mysteries of the cosmos and our inner worlds. Until next time, take care and let the moonlight guide you. FINAL